my Joomla site was hacked. First, I'll show you the hackers who did it. Second, I'll show you how the hackers did it. And third, I'll show you how we can fix it. Now, let's meet the hackers. How hackers try to get in through third-party plugins. Here are some examples from my Joomla sites. Look out, WordPress owners. How can we fix it? I'm going to show you the code to enter into a search PHP files so you can search for the hackers' files, and the hackers' code inside their files on your server. To do this, you will need 1. Access to your host account using FTP, cPanel, etc. 2. A text editor, or you can use cPanel's editor. Save this code in a file called searchname.php and upload it to www. or public HTML. When you run this file, make sure the browser's busy icon has stopped before opening the text file. Replace file name with any file name below. I found these files below in these directories. Save this code in a file called search.text.php. Replace search text with any text below. Search each one of these, one at a time. Here are some examples. This was kind of quick, so if you have any questions, please post them below and I will try to answer them. At the end of this video, I'll show you the hackers' code for all the files the hackers uploaded. Again, thanks for watching.